Guys, I'm going to show you some really easy oatmeal cookies that are sugar-free and only have 4 ingredients. So I have 1 3/4 cups oats here, and I'm going to mash 4 really ripe bananas into the oats. To this I'm just going to add a tablespoon of cinnamon and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to try it with some raisins today. Okay, so all I'm using is this small cookie scoop, and I'm just putting them on parchment paper because I don't want them to stick, and then just flattening them out, and then we'll put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 for 20 to 30 minutes. What you're looking for is for the tops to no longer be sticky. Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes, and you can see these are no longer sticky up top, so I'm just going to flip them over and put them in for another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, they're done. They're super delicious and tasty. They make a great easy snack after school or in lunch boxes as well. Sometimes we'll have them for breakfast. Enjoy!